In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figmotion Figma Plugin. Figmotion is an animation plugin that lives right inside Figma, so you can create motion directly on your designs without leaving your file. If you want to turn static frames into animated sequences for presentations, prototypes, or handoff, this will give you a smooth starting point. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Once it loads, head to the project you're working on and open the specific page or file where you want to add animation. Having the right file open ensures the plugin can access the layers and frames you plan to animate. Next, open the Quick Actions menu in Figma. You'll find it at the top of the interface where you can search commands. This is the fastest way to run tools without hunting through menus. When the Quick Actions bar appears, you'll see categories and results update as you type. From there, focus on plugins. Click into the plugins area so Figma filters the results to items you can run directly in your file. Now type Figmotion into the search field. As soon as Figmotion shows up in the list, select it and click Run. This launches the plugin in your current context so you can start animating immediately. Once Figmotion opens, take a moment to explore. You'll see a timeline interface that lets you add keyframes to properties like position, scale, rotation, and opacity. Selecting a layer in your canvas will reveal its animatable properties in the plugin. Move the playhead along the timeline, change a property, and Figmotion adds keyframes so you can create smooth transitions between states. There's usually a play or preview control to watch your animation back, which is great for fine-tuning timing and easing. If your file is complex, start with a single frame or a smaller component to keep things responsive while you experiment. A few tips as you look around. Keep your layers named clearly so you can find them quickly in the plugin, and consider duplicating a frame before animating if you want an easy backup of the original design. Short, simple motions often communicate better than long, complicated sequences, especially in early stages. If you don't immediately see what you expect, check that the correct layer is selected on the canvas before adjusting properties in the plugin. That's it. You opened Figma, opened your page, used Quick Actions to find the plugin, ran Figmotion, and explored its interface. With those basics in place, you're ready to start bringing your designs to life.